Yeah, hi. Afternoon, Pawel. In London. I think that's how you pronounce your name, Pawel. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser and your 2300. It's all working, as you can see there. Okay, that's your part. Basically, I've replaced the laser and given it a service. Checked everything else. It's in really good condition as well. It's a fairly, well, it's not new, but it's not had a lot of use. And it's working fine. And obviously you can see that I'm using your TDA board, same TDA board there, servo board, some people call it. So yeah, all working. That's going to be in the post for you today. Okay, so you should get that tomorrow. You've got a 6 months warranty with that. Parts and labour. All we do ask for, if there's any issues, is the postage to and from. Okay, but you should be good anyway. So thank you very much, and please leave feedback so others know that we do this stuff. Thank you very much.